Humans have created technology to exceed limits, and we had and still are continuing to evolve. But technology have mechanized the core value of humanity, which is human interaction. There is a visible and virtual link between technology and loneliness, and it's jarringly obvious, but we want to believe that it is technology that connects us. However, it is not. People in the 21st century are so alone. We have so many new ways of communicating, yet we feel so lonely. A very good afternoon to everyone. Today, I'll be presenting my oral topic, which is technology makes people feel lonely. And I'll be changing the way you think about technology and hopefully providing you the space to rethink what true human connection is. The celebration of online communication is said to promote human connectivity, despite of time, distance, and location. But technology has introduced digital interactions that gradually replace social interactions, which defines true human connectivity. Nowadays, people communicate more through texting, calling, or even FaceTiming. And these have become the reasons why people choose not to leave their homes, and also became the core of loneliness and even depression. The fear of engaging in social activities, and thus being judged, have far long become one of the reasons why people opt for digital interactions. But it is psychologically proven that people need human interaction in order to be happy. Thus, the mental illness of loneliness conquers with the assistance of technology. Over the decades of using technology, many have begun to be heavily dependent on it. The technological integration in human lives have been overwhelming to the point that some can't live without it anymore. The digital interaction that we receive throughout using technology have begun to let us to have a strong reliance on it for peace of mind and security. For example, people tend to avoid social discomfort through taking out their phones, scrolling through Facebook or Instagram to create this temporary distraction from social awkwardness. Even when we are in emotional despair, we tend to rely on a smartphone rather than confide in a friend face to face. Thus, the epidemic of technological reliance have intensified the feeling of loneliness. American actor Bill Murray once quoted, "Social media is training us to compare our lives rather than appreciating everything we are." This highlights the current generation being overly succumbed into social media like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter, etc., that advocates for social exclusion and the displacement of social activities. The more time one spends scrolling through their Instagram, checking other people's feeds, the more they feel lonely, because more time would be wasted when they could use that time to engage in real-life activities. As an example, people tend to feel excluded and lonely when they see other people, when they see their friends or family members posting Instagram or Snapchat stories online, hanging out with their friends without them. And this instantly makes them feel more lonely and socially excluded, because humans are social creatures after all. With this, the tech-invented social media have exacerbated the feeling of loneliness through creating these false narrations of happiness. Now, before I end my speech, I would like to make a statement for everyone to ponder upon. Did you realize that people tend to focus on talking to someone thousands of miles away rather than someone right beside you. People have since lost track of the uses of technology for the worse and spiral into the voids of depression and loneliness. Something that I hope everyone will be able to take away from my speech today is this. Pause for a minute. Pause for a minute, switch off your technological devices, put it away, and plan to meet a friend or have a simple conversation with a family member. That 10-minute disconnection from virtual reality might trigger a lifetime memory that you'll never want to forget. In the world of algorithms and hashtags, acknowledge the true importance of human connection. With that, I end my speech. Thank you for your unwavering attention.